Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 28th July to 1st August 2025. So let's go straight to our charts. So first, let's see what happened in gold on Friday. So as you can see, 0.93% negative move, 3337.02 was the closing on Friday. What are my expectations for this week and what is going to happen in coming week? Also, I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better SL, stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So here in the weekly chart, as you can see, the candle is a bearish candle with a small body and a small lower wick with a big upper wick on upside upper wick. And as you can see in the stochastic RSI is currently indicating as a upside move. Currently stochastic RSI is at oversold area, which indicates as a positive move. But remember, as I always say, we should not rely on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So let's now mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here is a one-day chart. As you can see, there are some important support and resistance zone that I've already marked on a previous analysis. So if I see some data, let's check if there is any data which I should see and make any changes. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for more such weekly analysis. So currently there are no such different data which I have to mark. So let's straight talk about our closing. So here 3337.02 was the closing. Direct support is 3327.9. Direct here resistance is 3350. Direct support is 3327. After direct support, there is a support of 3300 and then 3271. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 3375 and then 3400. So these are some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take trades for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared 2 prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in gold. So according to the previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive move that is around in 3350 to 3375 in this range for the coming week. Also, if you're looking for any negative or a bearish trade, then only look for bearish trade when this 3327 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed below this level. Then we will be able to see a move till 3300. So do check the important levels that will help you to take better trades. Also, my expectation overall is on the positives end. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.